Think about this for a moment. A task that took you hours yesterday can now be completed in minutes by technology. This is no longer a prediction. AI is transforming industries, and as a result, some jobs are disappearing faster than expected. So, the big question is, could your job be next? In this video, we'll reveal 10 jobs that AI is likely to replace soon, and what you should do about it. Why this topic matters. AI is reshaping how businesses operate. While this increases efficiency, it also puts many traditional jobs at risk. Understanding this shift helps you adapt and stay ahead. So, let's explore the jobs most likely to be replaced by AI. 1. Data entry clerks. These roles involve repetitive tasks like inputting and updating information. AI can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, reducing the need for manual input. 2. Customer service representatives. Chatbots and virtual assistants are now handling customer queries 24/7. They respond instantly and can manage thousands of interactions at once. Human involvement is reducing, especially basic queries. 3. Telemarketers. AI-powered systems can make calls, analyze responses, and personalize sales pitches. They are faster and more consistent than human callers. This reduces the need for large telemarketing teams. 4. Retail cashiers. Self-checkout systems allow customers to scan and pay without assistance. This shift is reducing cashier roles worldwide. 5. Basic accountants. AI tools can now handle bookkeeping, invoicing, and financial calculations. They reduce errors and save time for businesses. Only advanced financial roles are likely to remain human-driven. 6. Translators, basic level. AI translation tools can convert languages quickly and accurately. For basic communication, businesses rely more on automation than humans. However, complex and cultural translation still needs human expertise. 7. Manufacturing workers. Robots are already performing repetitive tasks in factories. They work faster, longer, and with greater precision. This reduces the need for manual labor in many industries. 8. Travel agents. Online platforms and AI tools can plan trips, compare prices, and make bookings instantly. People now prefer self-service options over traditional agents. This has reduced demand for travel agents. 9. Warehouse workers. Repetitive tasks. Automation handles sorting, packing, and inventory management efficiently. They improve speed and accuracy while reducing human effort. This is transforming warehouse operations globally. 10. Bank tellers. Digital banking, mobile apps, and ATMs are replacing in-branch services. Customers now complete transactions without visiting a bank. This reduces the need for traditional teller roles. There's so much to look forward to. AI isn't the end of work. It marks a new beginning. It's opening fresh possibilities, helping you grow your skills, and empowering you to move forward with confidence. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy official channel for more professional insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.